Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Lisa, your hostess with the mostest. Today's video is I got a game at Walmart the other day and I am putting this onto my laptop, and it is The Sims 3. This is the first disc. It's 3 games in one. The second one is Sims 3 Late Night. And the other one is The Sims 3 High-End Loft Stuff disc. There are 3 separate discs. There are 3 discs in one. So I am going to show you that I am installing these onto my laptop so both me and Megan can play. So this is the first disc. So I hope everyone is doing well. Hold on, guys. I just got to check something. Okay. This might be a little bit. Again, this is installing The Sims 3. The starter pack is 3 games in one. It's the Late Night and the High-End Loft Stuff. And it's like 3 games in one. And each of them come with a code that you have to put in as you install each disc. So if you guys are on Origin, this is the game that it goes by. It's on EA Sports, EA Play. And my name is USA Born 71 on there. If you want to look for me as a friend on there, that would be great. So again, this is currently installing. And I've got no friends on here yet, so if you have EA Play, kindly check me out and maybe we could play something. Oh. Come on, come on. This is a keyboard cover that I got from my laptop a while back, before I got my desktop, and this is a pink one, like a hot pink. And there is Oreo. He's eating right now. This is taking a while. So I will be back on to do another video with you after this one down installs. And I will see you all again soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.